becoming more aware of his inability to do things that other people can do. There'd be days where he'd sort of say, oh, when I walk, I'm going to do this. And you have to sort of sit there and go, oh, that's never going to happen, mate. Like, you're not going to be able to walk.
So what are you most excited about today? What have you been talking about all camp?
Laser tag.
Yeah, laser tag. Gonna be so much fun.
Yeah, so spinal muscular atrophy essentially affects your lack of protein that you require for the transmission of impulses from the nerves to the muscles. So without that protein, you get degeneration of the nerves and of course muscle wasting, so the atrophy of the muscles is degenerative, so it will get worse. So Joshua's quite bubbly, like he's actually really placid and really easygoing.
Yeah, he's, I suppose, I think he's a reasonably tolerant and understanding kind of young boy. I think it's almost like he's got an age above his years. There's this understanding or an ability to communicate with people and understand the world around him that seems to be a little bit more.
He just glows. He's funny. Like, he spoke non-stop for the first week at home about camp. He played the laser tag, because he played laser tag once before, but it was inside. He's like, it was even outside. Like, we played laser tag.
I think we're going to struggle not to send him next year and the year after and the year after that.
From about 6 months of age, I had some concerns, and I had raised it on a couple of occasions with doctors, and I kept getting told that it'll come with time. All right, we're now 1, so now I want you to refer me to a specialist.
So it was a neuro specialist over in North Sydney. I remember seeing her the first time, and then she did a few things. She took some blood tests and said we'll get the results back, and that was all we heard for a while. And then we got a phone call. I had to go for the follow-up. I had the kids in tow one morning. It was a shocking morning, it was so wet. And we drove all the way over there, and Belinda was at work. And she basically said, oh yeah, this is the diagnosis. I've referred you to the children's hospital. And that's about it. And I don't think I quite grasped what she was trying to say to me. And it wasn't until I kind of stopped and pulled over, I got my phone out and started searching and went, oh really? And then I rang you. I said, time to come home.
We've just got to provide him with the best opportunity. In Sydney, there's no one that you really get support from, and it's only really through Muscular Dystrophy New South Wales that we've got to meet other people like And I think because the first years were very isolating, there was nothing for a toddler. So it wasn't until he was 3 that we actually really got to meet other people that were in a similar position, and that's made a huge difference.